Now, how to give the coding here? Let us see. For 0.55 is a contribution of 0.3 and 0.25, where 0.3 is the symbol for x3. So the code for x3 we can take it as in the reverse direction, that is from 0 and 0. So for x3 the code is 00. Next, if you take for x1, that is 0.25, so 0.25 is still like 0.25 here, but it has contributed to this 0.55, whereas the code for 0.255 is 0, and then the next code given to this 0.25 is 1. So the code is 01 for x1. Next, if you take for 0.2, this 0.2 remains to be 0.2 till here, but here these two have contributed to 0.45, where the code for 0.45 is 1. So this 1 we give first, then due to 0.45, now that is due to 0.2, so this 1 is the second bit of this code. Again 0.15, this 0.15 is contributing to 0.25, whereas this 0.25 is contributing to 0.45, where the code 1 is given to the 0.45. So first we write 1, and then we have to find for 0.15, that is contributing to 0 here. So 0 is the next bit. Then 0.25 is contributed by 0.15, which is assigned a code 0. So 100 is the code for x5. Next, for 0.1 again is contributing to 0.25, and 0.25 is contributing to 0.45. So we write the codes of 0.45 and 0.25, and then the code of 0.1, that is 101. So this is the code for each of these symbols. Let us write the symbols in an order. x1, the code for x1 01, for x2 it is 11, for x3 it is 00, for x4 it is 101, and for x5 it is 100. So this is the code word, and the length of the code, that means the number of bits in each code, can be calculated as the number of bits, that is 2 here, 2 here, 002 bits, 1013 bits, and 1003 bits. In this manner, we can calculate the Huffman coding for any number of symbols based on their probabilities. But remember one thing, at every stage, the order of the probability should be in the descending order to get the code word to be efficient. So we have to define the efficiency of the code word. Efficiency of the code word is represented as eta, which is equal to h of x by average length into 100, where h of x is the entropy and L is the average length. So let us see how we can find the average length and h of x. H of x we can find using the relation sigma I is equal to 1 to x p of xi log p of xi. Similarly, where p of xi is the probabilities, this is p of xi, and the average length can be found as sigma I is equal to 1 to m. The code word length is represented as ni. into its probability P of xi. Now we can find the h of x, which is entropy, using the relation sigma is equal to 1 to x P of xi log P of xi. Here also let us take it as same x. So sigma is equal to 1 to x ni P of xi. Okay, or x or variable length here for in this example, this is nothing but the upper limit is equal to 5. Number of symbols, I represents number of symbols, that means each case it is representing as xi, where I is equal to 1 to 5. Thank you everyone.